Good morning, everybody. It's 9:25 and 8 seconds on October 12th. This is mini number 1 for Secret Wars 8 for the 9.8 slab and the raw copy. Over here are the 10 filled spots. Whoever comes in first place in the mini gets the first 4 available spots in the main. I believe at the time these spots are 1, 2, 5, and 7. Whoever comes in second place in this mini gets the next available spot in the main, which would be spot number 10. Pardon me. So let's roll our 3 dice. The number is lucky 13. Best of luck, everybody. That's 1. Before I roll number 2, everybody here has multiple spots, so you could come in first and second and win all 5 spots. I think that goes without saying. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and here comes the final one, 13. Will Lehman comes in first. Joe Forte comes in second. Will gets the first 4. Joe gets the next one. Time is 9:26 and 23.